and they can
I
continue.
just suck. I suck.
What?
Are you the Miracle Max who worked for the king all those years?
All right, you ain't going to check your math on that.
That is correct. Unless there happen to be measles present.
More than
She is a liar.
in the space of hours. Excuse me? In Israeli cities. I got up this morning and started this.
Welcome to my island, you take it up!
Not only
Back in. Get your hands off your daughter there and pay attention. You just might learn something.
You've just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.
Israeli civilians in the street, in their homes.
Do I want to know?